Hi, I'm Vercy Jones, your trusted loan officer. I've got exciting news for California homebuyers. Starting March the 17th, 2025, CalHFA is launching new taxable bond programs designed to help low to moderate income first-time homebuyers get into homes with more flexible financing options. We're talking about Ready conventional and FHA loans, plus two powerful combo options, CalPLUS Assets Conventional and CalPLUS Assets FHA, each paired with MyHome and the new MyAssets program. What's MyAssets? It's extra help, up to 2.5% of your loan amount for down payment and closing costs, with a 1% simple interest rate, and no payment due now, just more support to get you into your new dream home. If you've been waiting for the right time, this could be it. Reach out to me, Vercy Jones, and let me see how these new CalHFA programs can open the door to your future home. I'll talk to you in the next one.